Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna and I'm a little bit spooky, and today we're playing with the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette in Smoky Eyes Are Forever, and this is the look we come up with today. It's kind of a cool toned, soft, grunge, glam look. It's, I don't know, it's kind of romantic, but it's a little bit grungy with the black eyeshadow thrown in. I don't know, something about it. It's a little creeping into grunge. Maybe it's the Greige kind of lip paired with it. But yeah, this is the look we create. And we also test out a Milani Creme blush in Nude Kiss. Yeah, if that interests you, just go ahead and keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know some more looks you would like to see with the Charlotte Tilbury Smoky Eyes Are Forever palette. Is there a shade in there you would like to see me feature? And also, do you think I need to pick up some more of those instant eye palettes or just eyeshadows from Charlotte Tilbury in general, because I'm really liking that palette. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Okay guys, good morning. We got our coffee. I got the whole ass French press in here because I need a lot of coffee today apparently. I don't know. Don't judge me. Shut up. New year, new me. Anyway. I'll do some makeup today. I want to play with the Instant Eye Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Smoky Eyes Is Forever. And I want to use the Confident Eyes quadrant. Well, particularly I want to use this shade right here that looks kind of purpley pink, but then it also is like rose goldish at the same time. It's a very bizarre, interesting shade. Like it's different in every lighting. And yeah, I just want to use that and maybe some more shades from this palette because I freaking love this palette and I want to get my money's worth out of it apparently. And I'm just gonna use some other products that were ones that I loved this past year. So yeah, that's the game plan today. Just want to do a nice pretty glam look and hang out with you guys. We're gonna be making Korean food this evening, so I do actually have something to do and a reason to kind of make an attempt at makeup, and I have a lot of other videos I need to film. Anyway, eyes are primed, brows are on. I'm gonna start with Lovely Eyes. I'm gonna take this cream shade right here and just run that under the brow lightly and into the socket kind of. Just one nice kind of base shade to work on. And yeah, my skin is a mess right now. I'm so broke out. I don't know what's up with that, but my skin is mad at me. My temples and forehead in particular, quite mad. I don't know why. Now I'm going to take in the Power Eyes section a little bit of this kind of neutral brown shade right here. I'm just going to use the same brush. Just run that right here through the socket. Alright, now I'm going to take the brown shade that is in the Confident Eyes little quadrant over here. That shade. I'm going to start to build down the outer corner of the eye. We'll start with this little pointed crease brush and go with kind of a light application to begin with. Can give you things a little bit shadowy and cool throughout the socket line, or throughout the socket. Alright. That looks nice, kind of very cool toned looking. Take a bit of that original transition shade. Kind of work there around the edge just a little bit. Alright, cool. Now I'm going to take the shimmer shade, a little flat brush. I think I'll just use like this little packer brush here. This shade kind of shifts from a rosy gold color, or like, well, more of a rosy color with a bit of gold and warmth in it, to a violet. It is a really pretty color. Look at that. It has warmth in it, but it also is, it's like gold and warm in some lights, and in some lights it's like almost purple. It is so pretty and so unique. I think it's a beautiful shade. It's a really nice formula. Feels like silk. I love the way it's kind of shifty. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take a little brush here. Let's see. I'm gonna take this kind of smudge brush here from Sony as well. I'm gonna take the black. It is, and I'm gonna start to build that along the lash line and kind of treat it as a eyeliner. And I'm just going to sharpen up that edge. It's nice kind of smoky little wing there. Alright, I'm going to take these little pinky rose gold type shade from Love Eyes right here, and I'll put that on the inner corner. Ooh, pretty. It's a very Pillow Talk-like shade. Just doing a little last minute blending here with a detail diffuse crease. Okay, I'm going to clean up a little bit of fallout I have just a little bit of black under the eyes. And yeah, I'm going to tidy that up and we'll be back for a lower lash line and some finishing touches. Skin is done. I just threw on a little bit of eyeliner, kind of in the outer part of the waterline. It is a Marc Jacobs one. It's a lot, this is nothing like the color that it actually is. It's actually more of a deep kind of reddish brown plum shade. Yeah, I'm liking the plum vibes we got going on today. Very pretty. Okay, so on the face, I use the bareMinerals Original Liquid Foundation. I use NYX Marshmellow Primer, Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer. I've done some Pear Soap through the brows. And what else? By Terry Hydra-Powder to set everything down. And I've contoured and bronzed with the Patrick Ta She's Statuesque contour and bronzer duo. So, okay. Let's go ahead and finish up this lower lash line really quickly. And I'm going to grab that little smudge brush again. I'm going to take the dark brown. I'm going to run that along this lower lash line. And get that nice and smoky. And I'm going to just kind of soften that out. I'm going to take some of the black eyeshadow now. Same little smudge brush. Get right up there on those lashes on the outer corner lash line. And just tuck it into the outer corner and let it flow into that wing. There we go. Just like that. Okay. This is very like kind of romantic, huh? This would work for Valentine's Day, I think. Kind of a cooler, grungy Valentine's Day, maybe. I don't know. I like it. I think it's pretty. Give everything a quick little blendy blend. Yeah. Let's take a little bit of the lid shade on the lower lash line. Go right on this inner little tear duct there. Little boop of it. And a bit of the inner corner shade that we used from the Love Eyes. Alright. And there we go. Cool. I like this. I think this came out really pretty. Oh, I love it. It's cool toned, but still has some warmth in it. It's very, very unique shade. I dig it. I dig it. So, alright. Let's move on to this blush from Milani. This is one of their Cheek Kiss blushes in a Nude Kiss. Let's give this a go. Okay. Very pretty, just kind of neutral color. Feels a bit balmy. Like, yeah, it feels kind of melty, balmy-like. A little bit, has a bit of emollients to it. It's not like the putty blush. It's more like the Creme and the Patrick Ta. Alright, so let's pop a little bit of this on. Grab a little brush. I'm just going to go with a light hand, a little tappy tap. And I have set my face, but I usually can get away with cream blush over set face, so we will see how it goes. Alright, so knocking off the excess. And I'm just going to pat. I didn't put a whole lot of powder around this region, so. Well, that is quite pretty. That's a pretty shade. Yeah, very nice. Just gonna kind of sweep a little bit in here. Alright, yeah, so that is how the blush is looking. Very pretty. I like the shade quite a bit. It's kind of a perfect pinky yet peachy, just very in between, kind of a nudish shade. I like it. It's very natural looking. I like it. A very functional shade. I think I could use this with a lot of different looks. Very pretty. I don't know, on camera it just looks so vibrant in the pan. In person it doesn't look that bright. But it is kind of bright. It's pretty. It is. It's just really pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara real quick and we'll come back for the lips. Alright, mascara is on. I use the Bite Beauty Upswing. Such a good mascara, and I line my lips with NYX Los Angeles. So for lipstick, I'm gonna go with the Maybelline New York Ultimate and more Mocha. I know I just used this one the other day, but it matches. It matches perfectly. How perfect is that color with these eyes? I love it. Very pretty. Okay, setting spray and some highlighter. I forgot to put on any highlighter. Which one? Shoot. I don't think I have any pulled out. I think I'll just grab this one from Tilbury from the Filmstar Bronze and Glow. I mean, I have put on some Flawless Filter under here, but you know how I like to add a little more glow here because more is more sometimes. And I'm going to enjoy glowing while I can, because why not? Alright, cool, we're done. Yeah, I just got like a little purpley pink patch on my cheek for some reason. Skin is doing some things. Okay, and I'm gonna do just a little spritz of the setting spray. God, the sprayer is so violent on this e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Will not be repurchasing. Okay, let's fix the hair. If I fix the hair, I mean just let it be its Swamp Witch craziness, which I've been pretty into lately, and just rocking is letting it do what it wants to do. This is pretty much just what my hair is like naturally. It's just kind of all over the place, really wavy, but not defined curls. Unless I cut it, then I can get some curls going. But most of this is actually just, I think, tangled. At this point, we're just tangled. I could use a little definition, but yeah, soft. It's some soft grunge. We'll call it that, and some Swamp Witch hair as per usual. So yeah, let me know down below. Do you think I should get some more of these instant eye palettes from Tilbury? Because I really, really like this one. I've been enjoying it quite a bit. So yeah, you guys think I should get some more? I don't know. I think there is one other one, like a Bejeweled Eyes or something. It might have been last year's that is still available on her website that I'm kind of interested in. But yeah, this purpley violet yet rosy shade here with a duochrome vibe, very nice, very pretty on the lid. I like that tone that it has, and then hitting the inner corner with the shade from the Love Eyes. Yeah, I think we did a pretty look. So yeah, I like it. I like that it's a little bit dramatic, a little smoky, but it's also a little bit soft at the same time and kind of romantic and cool toned. Yeah, I think it's nice. And the Milani blush, I think the shade is beautiful. I didn't pick up my foundation or anything. This little patch was from before I put on the blush. I don't know what happened there really. Didn't notice it until after I'd already powdered, and it was kind of just too late to mess with it. So anyway, yeah, I think the blush came out really pretty. You guys know I love the Maybelline Ultimates. So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me and just creating this little glam look. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay spooky. Bye now.